Maria Imelda Josefa Remedios Imee Romualdez Marcos Manitoc, born November 12, 1955. Is a Filipino politician and film producer serving as a senator since 2019. She previously served as governor of Ilocos Norte from 2010 to 2019 and as the representative of Ilocos Norte's 2nd District from 1998 to 2007. She is a daughter of dictator and 10th Philippine President Ferdinand Marcos and convicted former First Lady Imelda Marcos, and the older sister of the current President Bongbong Marcos. Imee Marcos' political career began during her father's martial law regime, becoming chairperson of the Kabatang Barangay Foundation in 1977 and a member of the Batasang Pambansa in 1984. It was during her KB term that activist Archimedes Triana was abducted, tortured, and murdered in 1977, shortly after publicly questioning her appointment to the office. With her interest in media, she produced various film projects such as Nanoy Marcello-directed propaganda films, the 1977 documentary Daryl Makoy, and the 1978 television film Tadhana, the first Philippine animated feature film. She helped establish the Metro Manila Popular Music Festival in 1978 and was made Director General of the Experimental Cinema of the Philippines in 1982 after her family was ousted from power in the People Power Revolution of 1986. She and her husband Tommy Manitoc were exiled in Morocco. After the death of Ferdinand Marcos in 1989, President Corazon Aquino allowed the Marcoses to return to the Philippines in 1991. Imee ran for political office in 1998 and won 3 terms in the House of Representatives and 3 terms as governor of Ilocos Norte. She was elected to the Senate in the 2019 elections for a 6-year term. She ran for re-election in the 2025 midterm elections and won, placing 12th, securing a 2nd term. She has been linked to the stolen wealth of her family, identified as a beneficiary of various Marcos offshore holdings as revealed in the Panama Papers and the findings in the court convictions of her mother Imelda Marcos. These holdings were defined as ill-gotten wealth by the Supreme Court of the Philippines and are the subject of repatriation efforts by the Presidential Commission on Good Government. Amidst the growing rift between the Marcos and Duterte families during her brother Bongbong's administration, she has frequently sided with the Dutertes and their allies. Imee Marcos was born Maria Imelda Josefa Remedios Romualdez Marcos on the morning of November 12, 1955 at Our Lady of Lourdes Hospital in Mandaluyong to Imelda and Ferdinand Marcos. She has three other siblings, Ferdinand Bong Bong Marcos Jr., the current president, Irene Marcos Saroneta, and Imee Marcos, who was adopted. She turned 10 years old the day afterwards her father was elected in 1965. In an interview with her family-backed Filipinas magazine in 1999, she admitted that she was uncomfortable living in the palace because it was too confining, very formal, and fixed. She also added that it is not necessarily the most appropriate place to bring up a kid, but it was quite nice. While residing at the palace, Marcos asserted that she attended regular schools in Manila. However, she had to discontinue her education due to the challenges faced by the first family in going out caused by protest rallies outside Malacagang. These rallies, met with military assaults resulting in numerous Filipino deaths, were a response to her family's enduring conjugal dictatorship that spanned over 2 decades. Personal life, Marcos is the eldest daughter of Ferdinand Marcos and Imelda Romualdez Marcos. Her full siblings are Bong Bong Marcos, Irene Marcos, and Imee Marcos. She also has a number of half-siblings who are not as known by the public at large. This includes 3 siblings which her father had with Carmen Ortega of the Ortega clan of La Union, who was his common-law wife before he married Imelda Romualdez as a political strategy. Marcos was married to golfer and former professional basketball coach Tommy Manitoc. Their marriage was controversial since the Philippines did not have a divorce law, and Manitoc's October 1981 divorce obtained in the Dominican Republic from wife Aurora Pijuan was not recognized under Philippine law. Marcos and Manitoc have 3 sons, Fernando Martin Borgi, a commercial model and club DJ, Ferdinand Richard Michael Mike, a lawyer, and Matthew Joseph M.J., a sports agent and incumbent governor of Ilocos Norte. She had 2 stepchildren during her marriage to Manitoc, including ABS-CBN reporter and news anchor TJ Manitoc. On October 19, 2000, a 27-year-old film producer from Lady named Cesar Bendigo, who was allegedly in a romantic relationship with Marcos, was killed in an ambush by New People's Army rebels. Marcos last visited his residence on August 24, 2000. Since her legal separation from Manitoc, Marcos has been in a long-term relationship with Singaporean and ethnic Chinese businessman and resident Mark Kua. Since the 1990s, Marcos and Kua have been linked to the Philippine peso 64.5 million Ilocos Norte Tobacco Excise Tax Fund scandal. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 vlogs.